What is up, guys? This is Red Devil Pyro. It is June 1st. I did post a video this morning of the Freedom Fireworks flyer. I've seen a couple comments on there I wanted to address, and then there's some stuff that I didn't go over with the pricing. It's kind of hard to recreate the flyer without having a flyer. I only got the whole 2026 stand prices. I don't know if you guys know, it's like the form they give out to the stand operators with all the pricing on there. So I didn't want to leak that or post that because they asked me not to, because it covers some other stuff on there. But I will be talking about all the items and all the prices, and these are accurate items. I just went ahead and ran the pictures through ChatGPT and made a mock-up flyer, or AI flyer, you would call it. So I'm just gonna go into the video and talk about everything, with all the pricing for Freedom Fireworks / DFS. So let's get into it. So this year Master Sparks is 88.44, Great Whites 97.97, Freedom Star, Rover Ripper, all that good stuff. Um, what I was gonna do was, let me see. Um, Again, I don't know how to do the screen recording stuff yet, so bear with me. I'm doing it off my computer with the phone. So let me close out of here. Let's just go over this because you guys already could see the video that I already posted with the prices, but I'll go over everything, and whatever I miss, I'll cover it in this video. So I have my list right here. So Master Sparks is 88.44. Golden Crown is 32.88. Mount Magma is going to be 11.88. And let me just scroll down, see what else we have on here. I know they haven't updated the website, so bear with me. And then Wizard Wands are going to be 15.49. They're not BOGO. Great White is 97.97. Freedom Star is, it's alphabetical order, but it's kind of hard to see on this list. It's called DFS Freedom Star, so it's 37.12 on my list. That's what it says, DFS. So, and then we got Rover Ripper. It's gonna be 52.12. Dragon Smoke is 324. Again, not buy one get one free. Kingfish is 46.12. Bomb Pop is 31.12. Beast Slayer 1202. Not buy one get one free. Assorted Shark Balance. The 7-inch ones are 14.89. And I'll go over what is buy one get one free. Live Laugh Love is 13.22. Optical Illusion is 39.84. Tropical Birds is not on my list, I believe. Yeah, it is 14.88. Again, not buy one get one free. Turn Up the Heat is 83.12. Smoke Balls is buy one get one free. It's 5.48 for a 6-pack, so you get 12 for 5.48. Pop-Its are going to be 2.98 for a pack. Buy one get one free. what else we got? Happy Trolls 24.42, and then Super Value Pack is 28.82. Make the grade is 13.44. Bear with me, guys. Trying to scroll up. The color party is going to be 509.12. Take a Hit is not on my list. I'm not sure if that's going to be back, but that was not on my list. Not sure if they clearance that item out or not. And then Flower Patch Kids. Don't see that one either. You might see it, you might not, or might select stands might have those, but I know those were not selling as good. So as of now, we don't have the price for that, so it might not be at the stands. I wish they would just drop the price and get rid of those two items. Cheeky Fountain, it is a buy one get one free. It's 11.76. Spirit of Freedom is 19.22. People are saying that why is it more expensive? I don't know if you remember $19.99 or $20 for the Centennial, but that one's getting clearance out. So grab those Centennials at TNT because once they're gone, they're gone. And then Majestic Mama is 63.04. Let's Do This is going to be 53.39. Game Mode is not on my list, so I'm not sure if that's coming back or not. Yeah, I don't see Game Mode on there. And then Ground Blooms are 4.96. I believe that's a 6-pack, so buy one get one free. One, two, three, go is not on my list either, so I'm not sure if they got rid of that one or if it's coming back or not. Oops. And then 7-inch assorted founds. Actually, that's 14.89. I just seen that. So the one that I said at the beginning, that's not the correct one. So 7-inch is gonna be 14.89. At the end, I'm gonna go in order. If you guys missed something, let me know. I can try to find out the price. But towards the end, I'll go in order and I'll break it down. But right now, I'm just going off of based off of what's on the website, so that way you guys can compare it and figure out what you guys want. Because I don't know when they're gonna update the website. Assorted color ammo smoke is 7.92. Buy one get one free. And then we got Big Dog assortment. That one is going to be 276.88. Bazaar is 12.02. Never had that one. Might have to check that one out. Boom and Salute is 138.82. Crackling Balls is going to be bag of 6 for 4.88. Buy one get one free. Crazy Color is 46.02. Crickets, that's going to be a buy one get one free, 5.24. So basically $5 and change for those. That Cuckoo is for 7.76. Buy one get one free. Glitter Sparks, don't see that one on here, so I'm not sure if that one's coming back or not. Gold Medal is $354.44. I feel like a lot of the new items are going to be replacing all the smaller items that they need to make room for. Grande Latte. Don't see that one. Jitterbug is $4.88. Jumbo Purple Rain, $29.44. Oops, went too fast. Justice Fountain's gonna be $99.44. Actually, it's a price. I feel like it went up. Correct me if I'm wrong. I believe it was $88. Now it's $99. Killer Bees are gonna be buy one get one free, $6.88. Liberty assortment's gonna be $49.98. Lights of Freedom, I don't think that's coming back because I don't see that on my list. Livewire is going to be $23.23. LMBO is $6.40. Magic Whips are going to be $6.42. Buy one get one free. Morning Glories, $17.88. I don't know why it says Morning Glory 6-pack, $17.88. Buy one get one free. On the bottom it says Morning Glory 30 count box for $17.88. I don't know if that's all together or 30 count altogether. I'm not sure. That's how it's broken down on this price list. And then Old Glory is $101.12. And then Old Glory Fountain, that was the assortment, but this is a fountain. It's going to be $23.24. Buy one get one free. The Patriot assortment is $77.87. Piccolo Pete's will be 6-pack, $14.76. Buy one get one free. So you get a pack of 2 boxes of 12 for $14.76, which is not bad. And then we got Psychedelic. It's gonna be $64.46. Pyrotastic is $67.12. Radiant is not on my list. Not sure if it's coming back. Rain Shower is not on my list. Resolution is not on my list. Retros are $39.84. Short Stack, don't see that one. Solar Glare is going to be. Oh, actually no. Let me go back. Short Stack is $9.68. Buy one get one free. Solar Glare is $25.68. Buy one get one free. Standout, don't see that one. Starfire, don't see that one either. Sup Balance is $23.88. Taco Tuesday is $37.08. The Thrill assortment is $228.44. Tantrum is $58.02. Titanic is not on my list. Whimsy is $30.46. Wicked Wizard is going to be $15.49. That was a cool fountain. I got that one last year. Let me see if we have more stuff on here that I didn't go over. I believe I got over everything. But yeah, I just wanted to go over the pricing and then let you guys know. But real quick, I'm going to do a rundown if anything I missed. Actually, let me see if I can pull up that picture. Alright, so covering the new items and the pricing. If you guys seen the videos, I've changed the thumbnail with the pricing on it. So Blazing Sunset Fountain, new for this year, it's going to be $16.88. Dragon and Dreamscape, new, which is a rewrap of Lizard Wizard for $38.60, which is not bad. Fly High Fountain, it's $15.83. That's the design. It's not gonna have the Lightning McQueen from Cars, so that is a rewrap. But it's not TNT. It's actually Big Thunder. And then Jumpin' Jackalope is gonna be $17.32, and then Puppy Party is gonna be $26.85. And then I'm just gonna go over the pricing real quick of the assortments first. Party pack, I couldn't find a picture, but it's gonna be $29.92. Freedom Rings, $31.12. Liberty, $49.98. The Patriot, $77.87. Old Glory, $101.12. Boom and Salute, $138.82. The Thrill, $228.44. Big Dog, $276.88. Gold Medal, $354.44. Color Party, $509.12. And then Color Blast is $49.98. Next, I'll go over all the buy one get one frees. Let me see if I could change this. Let's see. So that way you guys could look at what I'm talking. I'll just put this one up for now. But buy one get one free pricing. Emma Smoke, $7.92. Cheeky Fountain, $11.76. Cricket's Fountain, $10.24. Buy one get one free. Crackling Ball, bag of six, $4.88. Cuckoo Fountain, $7.76. Guiding Light, it's a buy one get one free, $49.92, which is not a bad deal. 25 bucks each. Ground Bloom Flowers, $4.96. Jitterbug, $4.88. Killer Bee Found, $6.88. Magic Whip, $6.42. Mini Monster, $5.76. Morning Glory 6-pack, $17.88. Old Glory Fountain, $23.24. Piccolo Pete, $14.76. Poppets, $2.98. Short Stack, $9.68. Smoke Balls, $5.48. Solar Glare Fountain, $25.68. All right, and then we'll do a rapid fire of these items because it's a lot. So anything I missed in the video, I'm gonna just go over real quick. 7-inch assorted fountains, $14.89. Beast Lair, the swords, $12.02. Bazaar, $12.02. Bomb Pop, $31.12. Crazy Color, $46.02. DFS Freedom Star, $37.12. Dragon Smoke, $3.24. Golden Crown, $32.88. Great White, $97.97. Happy Trolls, $24.42. Jumbo Purple Rain, $29.44. Justice, $99.44. Kingfish, $46.12. Let's Do This, $53.39. Live Laugh Love, $13.22. Livewire, $23.23. LMBO, $6.40. Master Sparks, $88.44. Majestic Unicorn, $20.32. Majestic Mama, $63.04. Make the Grade, $13.44. Mount Magma, $11.88. Optical Illusion, $39.84. Psychedelic, $64.46. Pyrotastic, $67.12. Retro, $39.84. Robo Ripper, $52.12. Shark Fountain, $11.88. Smile, I believe that's the camera one, $19.88. Spirit of Freedom, $19.22. SUP, $23.88. Correction, sorry, $23.88 for SUP. Super Value Pack, $28.82. Taco Tuesday, $37.08. Tantrum, $58.02. Tropical Birds, $14.88. Turn Up the Heat is $83.12. Whimsy is $30.46, and Wizard One's going to be $15.49. So that concludes the whole price list that I have of the items that will be at DFS/Freedom Stands in California. Once again, stands have different items and different inventory. Prices will be similar to different locations, but inventory, I don't know how SoCal is compared to NorCal, but these are like the NorCal area, so I wanted to put that video out for you guys. If you guys have any comments, leave a comment in the video. I will be uploading more videos from TNT Demo Night when it got darker. A lot of people have been asking why the videos been shoot last couple weeks ago when we shot the videos. It wasn't dark, so we're gonna try to shoot the videos tomorrow for DFS as well, Freedom, while it's dark. But once again, trying to put out all the pricing and everything for you guys, and hope you guys are enjoying the video. Comment below what you guys want to see. What are you looking forward to this year? We're trying to get the prices out as soon as we get it, but we also have to follow rules from Freedom and TNT, what we can disclose and we can't disclose. So bear with us. Phantom, I've got some info, but I'm not sure how accurate that is from a stand operator. But I'll let Beast LOL take care of the Phantom stuff. I have no interest in Phantom pricing or flyers or anything. But if I do find the flyer or get the flyer, I will forward it to him, and he can make the videos. I know he's posted a video with the pricing. But once again, if you guys keep asking me for the Phantom one, I will not be posting anything Phantom related. If I do find information, I will share it with BSLO, so keep an eye on that. If I get the flyer this week, I'll share that info. Other than that, keep a lookout for more demos and giveaways. We're going to be doing a couple giveaways, block parties coming up. I'll make a separate video about that. And then rare items, also be making a video about that. I'll do a giveaway video too, so we can get everyone to come out. Expect those videos about June 28th, June 29th, before July 1st. We'll post those out. So, alright guys, I didn't want to make a very long video, but I want to get the prices out for you guys. Once again, if you guys have any comments, concerns, questions about pricing or inventory or anything like that, leave a comment. I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, see you guys in the next video.